So you want to know how to get EA Sports FC 25 on your PC for free? That's a question a lot of people are asking in 2025. Unfortunately, there is no official legal way to get the full version of FC 25 on PC for free. FC 25 is a brand new, premium priced game, and you need to buy it from an official store like Steam or the Epic Games Store to play the full version. You might see websites or videos claiming to have a free download, but these are often scams or illegal downloads that could harm your PC with malware. Avoid them at all costs. The good news is that EA often releases a free, limited version of the game. This is usually called the EA Sports FC 25 Showcase or a free trial. You can find this on the game's official store page. It is a great way to try out the game's new features and feel before you buy the full version. If you're looking to play for a low monthly cost, the game is also included with the EA Play subscription. This is a great value as it gives you access to a massive library of games, including the full version of FC 25 for a monthly fee. So while you can't get the full game for free, you can still try a free demo or subscribe to EA Play for a much lower cost.